Hello children, today our lesson is about how my body works. So let's get into the topic. The topics which we're gonna see in this lesson is introduction, sense organs, brain, and at last you will have a follow-up. So the first topic which we're gonna see is introduction. So what is this cartoon about is doing? It is watching television. And now I just want you all to listen to this. Okay, what do you hear, children? It is a music. So can you guess what music is that? Yes, it's Old MacDonald's music. Okay, so if you have guessed it right, clap hands for yourself. Okay, the next thing is what Donald is doing here. The Donald is smelling something, no? And what is this boy doing here? He is enjoying his food. We would enjoy our food if it is so tasty. Yes, so he is enjoying his tasty meals. And then, what would happen if we touch fire? It burns our fingers. If we touch fire, it would actually burn a finger. So, we would find or feel all these things with the help of our sense organs. So that is our next topic, our sense organs. So the eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin are our sense organs. So we use our eyes to see something, our ears to hear sound, and then our nose to smell, our tongue to taste, and our skin to touch and feel things around us. Yes, so our sense organs helps us to feel, see and hear things in our environment. Okay, so we could actually see all these organs, right? We could see our eyes, nose, ears, tongue and all, no? So these organs are called as external organs. External organs can be seen. It is outside our body so that we could see these organs. So these organs are called as external organs. So there are few organs in our body which is very essential for us and we could not see those organs. The first organ which we're going to see like that is our brain. Okay, so our brain helps us to think. So our brain helps us to think, to identify, to realize something, to differentiate things around us. So our brain helps us to think. And then it controls all our sense organs. I told you, we know that we have 5 sense organs and our brain helps us to control all our sense organs. And then our brain is located inside our head. So in this picture you could see where our brain is located. So it is inside our skull. That is actually inside our head. Okay, so that's all for today, children, your follow-up. And before getting into the follow-up, we will see what we learned today. We learned about our sense organs and then about our brain. Okay, so our follow-up is you would be identifying different ways where we use our sense organs in our day-to-day life. Okay, thank you, children.